Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be talking about what is Discord. Discord is like Skype, or if you've ever heard of TeamSpeak, it's similar to that. It's a social platform but for gamers, basically. It used to be for gamers, now a lot of people use it for school studies, group studies and all. Here you can make your own servers where you can invite friends or anyone you know, honestly, and you can make your own voice chat lobbies and you can sit there and talk. As you can see, I'm on the Discord website, and here there's a pretty much straightforward explanation. It's a place that belongs to anyone, honestly. You can make your own group, you can invite people to your group or your server, not group really, and basically have your own community. You can, as I said, you can make your own voice channels, sit there, chill out, talk to your friends, study together. It's just like social media, except no sharing of and no likes and all that. It's a place for friends to hang out. It's a place for people to talk to. It's also a place where you can meet new people. There are tons of Discord servers which you can join and try and make new friends. That's about it. Honestly, Discord isn't that complex. Discord's pretty easy to understand what it is, and even if you're new to Discord, just download it and give it a try. I'm pretty sure you won't even need a second look at it. You'll understand it right off the bat. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope I helped you in one way or the other. And if it did help you, make sure you drop a like as well as subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.